Hello, boys and girls. This is going to be the answers to lesson 18.2 for the Let's Practice pages. So you should already be done with that. We're going to go over the answers from page 327 through 328. So if you haven't done those pages yet, do them now and then resume watching this video. Okay, which figure shows a slide? D should be your answer there. Which figure shows a turn? B should be the answer there. Whenever you see that dot rotating at a point or turning at a point, that should be a hint for you. Okay. Now it says this is a pattern. The triangle is going from left to right and is an illustration of which one? Is it a slide, a flip that should be the mirror image, or a turn? The correct answer is turn. If it was a slide or a flip, either one, it would have the point at the top always, or always the point at the bottom. But the fact that it goes back and forth means that it has turned and then turned and then turned again. Which of the figures shows a turn? Okay. Think of this as going around in this direction. The arrow should always be going in this clockwise direction for the turn. So, does this show a turn? Nope. This? Nope. Does this one? Yes. This one shows a turn because imagine if, okay, this arrow is facing this direction and then it's going around and then the arrow is facing in this direction. Okay, so this arrow is facing in the right direction. This one is in the wrong direction. If it would keep going, it would go around like this, then around like this. So both of these are incorrect. Okay, the letter J here, we're looking once again for a turn. Does this show a turn? Nope, that's a flip. This one. Okay, if we were to continue this shape going in this direction, it would look like this, and then upside down, and then around like this. So nope, the hook would never be at the bottom here of that J. And actually, I did that one wrong. Let me draw that one out for you. If we've got a letter J here, okay, if it has turned once like that, and then another time like that, it would look just like what you see here. So this is the correct one to show a turn. So the answer is C. Okay. Trace the first figure A, it says, and cut it out and place it on top of figure B to answer the following questions. Are the two rectangles congruent? True or false? And we're just going to do check and X for these. Are they congruent? Should be yes. Was rectangle A flipped to make rectangle B? Remember, a flip is that mirror image. False. Rectangle A was slid to make rectangle B. False. Otherwise, it would still be, the little, the short side on the bottom for both the slide and the flip. Was it turned? Yes. Okay, now trace the first figure, this P, and then cut it out to decide which one is congruent to it. The one that you should get is this one. Okay, those are all of the answers to your 18.2 Let's Practice. I'll have your workbook pages listed separately. Let me know if you've got questions, and I would recommend doing the cutting it out or after you've traced it. cut it out, and put it on top for you to more clearly see. Are these the same shape and size? For some of you, it's going to be easier than others to just look at a page and figure out if it is the same shape and size. Some of you might need that actual placing it on top. So I would encourage you to do that if you're still a little confused. I will talk to you later. Bye.